going on YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the R32 Mark V 2008 here in the US. So anyways, the reason why I've been postponing kind of videos is waiting on bolts and new drive shafts. So some of the upgrades are actually control arms, rear control arms, front control arms, lower control arms or upper control arms, whichever it might be. So you got upper and lower. Trailing arms, the connection points where the bushings go. Could have gone with another company that uses spherical, but I was like, I need these now. So there you have it. Then I also have VWR's front sway bar that's been sitting and pending, basically waiting for Vibra-Technics. Pretty much puck. I call it puck, the dog bone, subframe, whichever term you want to use. And that's what it looks like. It's obviously no insert, hard durometer rubber, and plug-and-play solution. So it literally just replaces the upper and lower. Basically, it's a sandwich plate type addition. So you still have to drop the subframe, even if you use the removable tool to kind of remove the original design. But obviously, in order to do that, you still have to drop subframe to install sway bar. And obviously I also have the rear subframe inserts, and I just talked to Leonard about basically ordering my collar kit for the ones that sit inside these bad boys to pretty much match the front. And so and then you have also the lower control arms that are still packaged, and I just opened that one to pretty much show what's going on. So that's pretty much the update on what's still in the process here, to give you guys an overview of what's been pending with the suspension. And still haven't figured out coilovers or that. Maybe my buddy Han will pitch in as always with his Olin's road and track, even though I've never tested it. So it's one of those things where, you know, I guess I just need more input. Hopefully somebody down in the comments will tell me what's up, and you know, just trying to eliminate just not doing it twice. That's what I call it. And so there you have it, guys. Alright, talk to you guys soon, and go from there. So if you like what you see, subscribe, and we'll pretty much have that set up. And I think the last video I talked about, I know I'm making a long one, but aerodynamics. So like I said, good luck finding these parts. They're just kind of pre-installed, waiting for the main event. Alright, well, yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, and chit chat with you guys then.